Let your body talk. Let your body talk.
Imagine a course where your body is the center of your whole being. Welcome to our innovative method for an embodied leadership. Stephanie Bangura offers the Ritual Dance Pedagogy, where indigenous wisdom, humanistic psychology, and trauma therapy come together. In this course, your individual experience becomes the foundation, and the theory you learn. Deepen both your work and your everyday life. Imagine a group where every person stands in their own power, where each person is seen, each person is heard. No oppression, no judgment, no comments. In this course, the facilitator creates a safer space, a sacred place, with live music and the group. A place where real encounter happens at your boundaries. A place where your intuition can develop. Come, take your place in the course.
Let your body talk.